I have two sourdough bread here. Can you tell the difference? Hey, what's up? Dutch oven or open baking? Today we are going to find out which method gonna give us the best loaf of sourdough bread. We are going to compare two loaf of sourdough bread which exactly made the same but with one major difference. Baking method. Can we bake a perfect loaf of sourdough bread from open baking and without Dutch oven? Let's find it together, shall we? Remember, this is just an experiment video. For recipe and method, check out the rest of my videos on my channel. I have two plain sourdough, which I'm scoring them with angle, and I'm gonna rescore under the edge one more time to make sure I get the nice ear and maximum oven spring. One of them goes into my Dutch oven to bake from Dutch oven, and I'm gonna put the lid. The other one, I'm going to use my pizza peel, transferred on an upside down tray, which preheated for at least 45 minutes. And I pour some boiling butter on a preheated pan, close it right away, bake for 20 minutes at 230. Nice ear on my first bread from open baking. Let's see the one baked from Dutch oven. Boom! Beautiful oven spring and nice ear. Then I'm going to remove the steam, reduce the temperature at 215 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 20 minutes. If you like darker crust, bake for another 5 to 10 minutes. And of course, let them to cool up on a cooling rack for at least 1 hour. But you need to consider this. It's not just about baking method. The whole process matters. Shaping, scoring, developing, fermentation and proofing time, and of course a super active starter. For all of this I have video on my channel. Go and check it out later. The bread made with Dutch oven, beautiful crust, and let's check out the crumb. Beautiful, airy, creamy open crumb. And the one baked from open baking. Again, super crispy and nice crust. And very nice open crumb. Gorgeous. Can you tell the difference? Alright, we have Dutch oven method, which I can call it no risk method because you don't need to be worried about steam and heat. Preheat your Dutch oven, bread in, lid up, bake for 20 to 30 minutes, remove the lid and bake for another 20 to 30 minutes and you're good to go. Easy peasy. But remember, with very high temperature, sometimes your bread explodes from some part and bake unevenly. On the other hand, we have open baking, which is my favorite. Why? First thing first, because you can bake multiple bread at the same time, which is amazing because you're gonna save some electricity, cost and time. And of course, you don't need to invest on a Dutch oven or expensive bread challenger, but you need to create that steamy hot atmosphere inside your oven, which is sometimes tricky, especially if you're using a convection oven. Let me know in comment section which method you prefer to bake with. Alright. That was it. If you like this video and you want to support my channel, you can give me a super like this video and share it with your people, and subscribe my channel so you don't miss my next video. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.